If you are feeling disconnected from yourself because of stress, then mindful singing practices can be your ultimate relaxation tool. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through some singing exercises which make you feel relaxed and more connected to yourself fast. If you want to start your day on the right note, I've made a free guide for you. It's called Morning Vocal Ritual Plan. It's short and easy and you can absolutely implement it into your busy daily life because I know you're busy, you have many responsibilities, right? So if you want to have that free guide, which is very relaxing, then drop me a line saying stress-free mornings and I'm going to reach out to you and send you a link to this free guide. For those who don't know me, my name is Anna G. I'm a vocal coach with 19 years of teaching experience and I'm also the owner of CryBabySinging.com. I made it my mission to help singers belt high notes powerfully with fun and with ease. So let's show you, I'm going to show you some singing exercises. It's going to last about 5 minutes and they're going to help you to connect back to yourself and relax very, very quickly. Okay, first you want to start with breathing in deeply into the nose. Hold. And then breathe out of the mouth, okay? So just close your eyes, you breathe into the nose and feel your ribs expand, your diaphragm go down, feel everything here expand, okay? Hold, breathe out of your mouth, breathe into your nose, hold, breathe out of your mouth, breathe into your nose, hold, breathe out of your mouth. Breathe into your nose, hold, breathe out of your mouth. Breathe into your nose, hold, breathe out of your mouth. Breathe into your nose, hold, breathe out of your mouth. Open your eyes. Now let's add low hum on this note here. And put your hand on your chest to feel the vibrations of your voice. Sorry. And close your eyes to feel the vibrations even more. Breathe in and hum. Feel the vibrations. Breathe in and hum. Breathe in and hum. Now let's take some more notes. You felt the vibrations in your chest because you were low. Then let's get a little higher. If you try this, you feel the vibrations going from here up to here, up to the head, and it's all vibrating. You're connecting to yourself and to your body. Breathe in. Feel the vibrations. Breathe in. Breathe in. from above to down. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. I feel more relaxed now. I don't know what about you. If you found these exercises relaxing and you're feeling connected to yourself and you want more of this to implement into your daily life, drop a comment saying stress-free mornings, because I made a free guide for you. It's called Morning Vocal Ritual Plan. And if you comment below, I'm just going to reach out to you and send you a link.